Hi, hello there, my name is Kayla and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really appreciate it. In today's video, we are reviewing the brand new ColourPop Coast to Coral collection. Whenever they came out with this, I was super excited. Peachy, warm toned colors are my thing. They're my go-to. I love them. Whenever they announced this collection, I obviously had to have it. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the eyeshadow palette, highlighter, the blush, the lip gloss, the gel liners, the whole big shabil. So the Coast to Coral palette retails for $14. It comes with 9 shades, 4 true matte shades, 3 shimmer shades, and 2 matte with sparkle shades. It comes in this absolutely beautiful coral packaging. It is a magnetic closure and the packaging itself is cardboard, just like a whole bunch of other ColourPop palettes. The blush retails for $8. It comes in a plastic component and it also has a mirror on it. This is a nice warm toned pinky coral color, obviously, with a little bit of gold glitter in it. The Coastin Super Shock highlighter retails for $10. It comes in this humongous plastic component with a large mirror. It is a nice darker sort of champagne-y color with pink marble in it. I also picked up the Megaliner, I think that's how it's pronounced, ultra glossy lip. This retails for $7 and it is a beautiful warm toned peachy pink color that smells like maple freaking syrup. So good. Last but not least, I picked up the Bakerie eyeliner duo. This is a really nice, pretty, light, warm coral pink color. And this duo comes with a cream eyeliner and a gel liner and retails for $12. The Bakerie's gel eyeliner alone retails for $6. And it doesn't look like you can get the cream eyeliner by itself. It looks like it's only available in the kit. And before we get into this look, I will go ahead and do swatches of everything on my arm here for you. Here are all the shades from the Coast to Coral palette swatched. I had absolutely no issues swatching any single one of these shades. The shimmers felt like butter. Very true ColourPop formula. Love it. Alrighty, and here we have the highlighter, the blush, the gel liner, the cream eyeliner, and the lip gloss swatched. Alright, with all of that out of the way, let's go ahead and get into this look. Alrighty, so as you can see here, I did go ahead and do my full base of makeup so we can get right into these eyeshadows and this blush and the highlighter and the eyeliners. So first I'm going to be taking the Coast to Coral palette. Let's see, what shade am I going to take first? The first shade I'm going to be taking from this palette is the shade Crush, and I'm going to be using this as the transition shade on a Morphe M535 brush and just placing this all over my crease. So this shade practically matches my skin tone, so I don't know if you can really see it. Slightly. Alright, so there's that. The next shade I'm going to be taking is the shade Keep Swimming on a Laura Lee Los Angeles L18 brush, and I'm just going to be placing this shade in my crease. Oh, that is so pretty. Oh yes, there is a ton of pigment with this shade. Now I'm just taking my Morphe M535 brush and just lightly buffing it out. Now the next shade I'm taking is the shade Angel Fish on a Laura Lee Los Angeles L19 brush, and I'm just going to be placing this shade right on the outer corner and just slightly dragging it into the crease. Now I'm taking my Laura Lee Los Angeles L18 brush and lightly blending it out. So cute. I love this nice coral moment we have today. Now I'm going into the shade Drop Off on my MAC 213 brush and just lightly placing this on the very outer corner. And I'm just lightly buffing this shade out. That is so pretty. So far, so good. Now for the lid, I'm going to take the shade Atoll on my L'Oreal Los Angeles L17 concealer brush and place this all over the center of my lid. You know what? I'm going to wet the brush first. Yeah, we're going to wet the brush. And I'm just wetting the brush with some of my Urban Decay All-Nighter. Oh yeah, that is a lot better. Now I'm just going to take some of the shade The Keys and put this on the outer portion of my lid. Oh wow, that is so pretty. We are getting this really nice rose gold moment and I am living and breathing for it. This is so pretty. Now I'm just going back into the shade Angel Fish and lightly cleaning this up a little bit, making sure everything is nice and seamless. Alrighty, so I went ahead and zoomed you guys in just to show you that there is a little bit of fallout with these shadows, but we can just wipe it off. Now for the lower lash line, I'm going to take the shade Keep Swimming and place this all over my lower lash line with a Morphe M506 brush. Now I'm taking a little bit of the shade Drop Off on a Morphe M508 brush and lightly just stamping it all along the outer corner. So cute. I love the way this is turning out. For eyeliner, I did pick up the little Bay Breeze Duo. This comes with a gel liner and it comes with a little cream liner. I don't know what I'm going to do with this. It's a very nice peachy coral color, just like the rest of this collection. I would place this on my lower lash line. However, I feel like it's just going to make me look like I have pink eye.
Holy crap. What happened? You got pink eye.
So maybe I'll do like a little design right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and do like a little, maybe a little heart design. That sounds cute. Now I'm gonna try filling in the little tiny heart I made with the cream liner. The consistency of this is very, very dry. I'm going to try wetting my brush with some water. Now it just looks like a blob on my face. The consistency of this liner is super dry. I don't know if I would recommend. Sorry. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and finish my eyeliner and my eyelashes off camera. Come back and we'll get into the blush, the highlight, and the gloss. Okay, so I went ahead and did a wing and put on some eyelashes. I also took a NYX white eyeliner and just outlined the little heart design that I tried to make with the ColourPop eyeliner. So it brought this look a little bit together. Now I'm going to go ahead and go into the blush. The blush shade here is called Shook to the Coral. It is this really beautiful peachy coral color, obviously. And I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Los Angeles L14 brush and apply this to my cheeks like I typically would. Oh, this is so pretty. It does have a tiny bit of gold glitter flecks in it, but you can't really see it. It just gives that soft, subtle, very, very subtle shimmer. I would say this blush is more on the matte side than on the shimmer side. It is so beautiful. Wow. Put some of it on my nose here. So
Cute.
love it. Now for the highlighter, I picked this up. This is in the shade Coastin, and this is a humongous pan. This is bigger. Well, it's about, yeah, this highlighter pan is a little bit larger than the eyeshadow palette. Why? I don't know. And I'm just gonna take my little Lauralee Los Angeles L15 highlighter brush for this. I don't know if this is going to be good for my skin tone. It is more of a darker champagne-y color with some marbled sort of pink in it, but we're gonna try. It's okay. Yeah, I would say that pretty much it's good for my skin tone. I'm just gonna take some of it into my inner corner with my L16 brush. Maybe a little on my brow bone. And last but not least, I picked up one of the ultra glossy lips. This is in the shade Molokini. I'm sorry. It is this really pretty peachy pink color. Smells like maple syrup, just like their other ultra glossy lips. I'm just placing this on the center. So pretty. Alright you guys, so this is the final look. I love the way everything came together. Honestly, everything that I tried out today, I really loved. I'll definitely be using all of this stuff again. The eyeshadow palette,
Beautiful.
if you're into warm peachy coral colors, I would highly recommend it. There was a tiny bit of fallout with some of these shades, but aside from that, A+, amazing quality, and I really enjoyed using it. I will for sure be using it again. The highlighter is absolutely humongous. It is more on the dark champagne-y sort of side, but it did match my skin tone pretty well. I typically go for a more lighter highlighter sort of vibe, but this is really pretty and I'm happy I picked it up. The blush is absolutely beautiful. This is the blush color that I typically go for. I'm so happy that I got it, and I will for sure be using it a whole bunch in the future. Okay,
So
the two things I did not really enjoy are the eyeliners. These are in the shade Bakerie. I felt like the Ream eyeliner was just sort of dry and wouldn't spread out like I wanted it to.
You left me high and dry.
Just my opinion, I typically go for more of a wetter consistency sort of cream eyeliner. The actual gel liner I didn't get to really try out that much. I will be trying it out more in the future. However, I just can't see myself putting this on my lower lash line because I think it'll make me look like I have pink eye. But I will find a reason to use this in the future. The ultra glossy lip. I love the smell of these. I love the formula of these. These are a very comfortable formula. They're not super sticky. They obviously give you that really pretty shiny lip, and they smell out of this world. So good, like maple syrup, like some fresh pancakes. Love these. So that is it for today's video. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Everything that I used on my face will be linked in the description box down below, as well as all of my social medias. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Bye.